Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage. Quick video today. I had a question about how I hang up my hardtop. I did a video on actually taking it off, but there wasn't much detail. It was just a sort of a grab shot video. So I was just going to show this setup. I'm not saying it's the right way. I'm not claiming it to be safe. I don't know what the structural integrity of your house is, so use your brains, use common sense, and if you hurt yourself, not my fault. Let's show you the rig. So I've got the hardtop basically really high up against the ceiling. I think the garage ceilings are about 8'6" in here, somewhere around there. And the way I've done it is I have these lag bolts, and I actually cut that access hole, I think for this purpose, to make sure I was dead center in the ceiling joist. So I have 4 lag bolts. Sorry for the bright lights there. 2 on this side, 2 on the other side, and then from those lag bolts, I've got 2 ratchet straps holding it up. Now, when you jack it up that high, you might want to put a towel over the top so that it doesn't scratch on the ceiling. And I have 2 ratchet straps per side because what it allows me to do is when I'm letting it down, first of all, it's a safety factor, right? So assuming the lag hooks hold, if the lag hooks fail, you're in bad shape anyway. But if your lag hooks are structurally sound, when you want to take this down, basically you give some slack to one of the straps and then you release the other and it'll go down to where that slack one was. Then you go to the other side, to the front. If you're doing that in the back, then you go to the front, do that a couple inches, back a couple inches. So the trick is you don't want to put too much of a point load on any one side. You don't want it sliding off the ratchet straps. So, you just sort of teeter-totter it back down onto your truck. And I hung it right here because when my bench is not in the way, then I can back the Scout up and put it on. It's been good to me so far. I've done this twice now. This is for the restoration. It's been up there a while, but my first summer here in Seattle, I did that for the summer. So that's how I hang my hardtop up. Lots of guys have pulleys and canopies. That's great. I don't have the clearance for that. I had to figure out a way to get it as tight as possible. See you next time on Matt's Garage.